Did you guys know you can run a speed test from the command line interface? This is something new. I've never done it myself, so we're going to try to install it here on Rocky Linux. Let's do sudo dnf install speed test. And my password. And of course it's not there, so now we're going to try the package. And you can grab this off the speedtest.net. Now, after you got that, we should be able to do DNF install. Maybe. Oh, it's installing some other stuff. Alright. Maybe you do have to do yum. Yeah, let's try it. So first you have to do the package. You have to get the package. There we go. Now we have speed test. Alright, let's see if we can run it. First, let's clear our screen. Type yes. And there you have it. We have a speed test in the command line interface. How awesome is that? It's pretty awesome, I think. As you can see, we're getting a gigabit. Awesome. Speed test is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Of course, you can follow me on Twitter at the Smango. Sometimes I'll be streaming on twitch.tv/the Gaming. And check out fulltechpodcast.com. We'll see you guys next time here on Full Tech.